Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to copy your Shopify store to WordPress. Moving to WordPress gives you more customization flexibility. So let's start. First, you have to export your store's essential data. To do so, in Shopify, go to Products. Click here. Then select Export and select all products. Select also CSV for Excel, then click on Export Products. Now, Shopify will send an email to your inbox, to your Gmail, with the file attached to it. I'm gonna go to the email and click on the product to download it. I'm gonna save it, and that's it. Now, on your WordPress site, install a plugin like WP All Import or just or simple CSV. I found it very simple. Now, click on Upload to upload the file and select the file you want to, the product you want to upload, and click on Open. And just like that, the product is uploaded. Now for your teams, consider using WooCommerce to add products and e-commerce functionality similar to Shopify. If you have a custom theme, match Shopify's style or adapt your theme to retain brand identity. And that's it. You've successfully copied your Shopify store to WordPress. Now you can customize your store with more flexibility. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have further more questions, leave a comment below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.